केन्या की राजधानी नैरोबी में महनाज नामी खातून ने एक ऐसा टैक्सी ऐप बनाया है जिसके जरिए खवातीन को खुद कफील बनाने की कोशिश की जा रही है। केन्या की राजधानी नैरोबी में महनाज सरवर नामी खातून ने अन्निसा के नाम से एक ऐप बनाया है। ये ऐप खवातीन को पेश नजर रखकर बनाया गया है। ऐप का नाम भी अन्निसा रखा गया है, जिसका मतलब है औरत। ये ऐप टैक्सी बुक करने के लिए बनाया गया है। इस ऐप का मकसद खवातीन को बाइख्तियार बनाना है। इस ऐप में सिर्फ खवातीन टैक्सी ड्राइवर ही रजिस्टर्ड हैं, क्योंकि ऐप का मकसद ही खवातीन को रोजगार फराहम करना और खवातीन मुसाफिरों को सिक्योरिटी के तई बेफिक्र बनाना है।
I have requested for the Annisa taxi and the driver has come to pick me up. And the reason as to why I chose Annisa taxi is because it offers three things. It offers security, comfortability and privacy. For the security part, you see, when a male driver is driving you, you will have fear that anything might happen along the way, or even the driver will harass you. But when the female driver is driving you, you feel more secure. And also about the comfortability and privacy, you see, sometimes as the Muslim women, we don't even want to be seen by the male drivers on, you see, seeing our faces. So when the female driver is driving us, we feel comfortable. Sometimes you can even remove the scarf in the car, so you'll be comfortable.
Annisa is all about the empowerment of women. We have a large amount of ladies in the taxi business, but with no specific app for them and no voice for that population. So we wanted to give an app which gives them more of a voice, more of an empowerment, working with them and making sure that they get good returns. These are single mothers who are working hard. So we really wanted it to be all about women empowerment.
इस वक्त अन्निसा ऐप में 60 खवातीन टैक्सी ड्राइवर जुड़ी हुई हैं। ऐप को डेवलप करने वाली महनाज सरवर का कहना है कि आने वाले दिनों में ड्राइवर की तादाद में तेजी से इजाफा होगा, क्योंकि ऐप को सार्फिन से बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है। वहीं ऐप में रजिस्टर्ड खवातीन ड्राइवर मानती हैं कि इन्हें इस ऐप में सिर्फ 10% कमीशन देना पड़ता है, जिसकी वजह से उनकी अच्छी कमाई हो जाती है।
It's better than the other apps because their commission is less. It's 10%, and while other apps are taking 15% and 25%, which we feel is too high considering the cost of living, and we have loans to pay, car loans, we have rent, and some of us are employed, and they have to give their employer 2,000 per day. So when they take such a big chunk, at the end of the day, the driver goes home with less money. So if we are having a better offer, a better deal, where the commission is only 10% what they're taking from what we earn.
So far we've got 60 with us, as in ready, but they're still being registered as we speak because we have to go through the process. So 20 are online, as in already on the app. The other 40 are being vetted and being put online as we speak. So we are hoping by the end of the week we will have, we've just started this on Sunday, so we are hoping by the end of the week we will have more than 100 drivers, because the response has been amazing. I mean, people who are not already drivers are already wanting to join. Another good thing is, like, we have the Muslim population.
फिलहाल इसी के साथ इस बुलेटिन में इतना ही। मज़ीद ताज़ा खबरों के लिए आप लॉग इन कर सकते हैं हमारी वेबसाइट news@urdu.com पर।